See, look, it starts to come all the way down. It just has to take me up first. You know how it goes. Classic. Oh, what a banger! You hear that?
Yeah.
Wow. It's my time to shine. Oh yeah. It is my time to shine. Sorry. He just changed the tweet. Kumbaya. All right, I have a game plan here.
Okay.
The game plan is I print super hard
Yeah, yeah. That's good.
and then I leave and I go to sleep.
That's a good game plan.
Okay, guys, let's log in. We're gonna print super hard. Oh my Rams. The short.
Oh my.
I knew it. I knew it too. I knew it. I knew it. I just got diddly played, guys. We can get a bounce. Nope. Nice.
I put it to the E too quick. And
That's on ballot. Oh, there we go. Finally. Captured something. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Okay, I'm here, guys. Don't worry. I was silent. They always try to silence me. That's what I noticed. Guess what? You can't do it. They're not allowed. I'm just wondering at that 150 if she fails. Oh. Well, here it is. Here it is, Rams. What a recovery. What a recovery. You won't believe what you're about to say. Holy shit. Holy schnauzer. Guys, these moves are volatile. Volatile. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. How's everyone's day today? Everyone have a good sleep? Say yes in chat. Yes. No. Maybe. So. Ooh. 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 Ooh, wow. No, Oilers lost to Panthers. I know. I saw that. Bro, Trump is literally in your name. Aren't you happy the States won? I'm just joking. I know you're Canadian. I'm liking potential longs off of here. If we can keep that hold above the 960. Let's see. Push. 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 I said push. Push. I said push. Here we go. See if we can get anything, guys. Excuse me. Excuse me, Cleo. I can't see. Thank you. The holes of your sweater. Just do it. Rams, do you like matcha?
Yeah.
You do like matcha?
Yeah. Are you
Yeah, I'm a fan.
So,
The view is right. Nice little pop there, guys. And there is 1R just shy of. I'll move my SL up a little. And beautiful pop. 17 points now. Pushing. Push it now. Push it good. Yeah, not too shabby. We're doing pretty well on this move. SL is up, so I'm chilling. Let's check some options. Switch that over to a 3-minute. We're still in yesterday's range, which I'm not the biggest fan of. SPY is still below that 600. We could get flaggy real soon. NVDA to the downside, not bad. These are all 15 minutes as well, so I would still want it underneath her low of day. So 143.22 with a hold. 143.22. Mark that off. Hi, love. And nice push there, guys.
Coffee or matcha?
Matcha.
Matcha.
Ooh, okay. Oh,
W, full recovery.
Yes.
We love that. Nice catch there, guys.
What a great take.
Did you stop alerting those future plays or only doing A+ setups? For the most part, A+ setups, or if I stop going live. So like you'll see, when was it, yesterday or 2 days prior? I alerted 2 plays on the channel because we were no longer live. And then I'll do like recaps and whatnot in there now. Just to make it a little bit more educational. Nice push. I want her to hold that 80 for continuation of this play. And if not too shabby. Remember guys, today is FOMC, so just trade carefully. Be very careful today. That is all. You took a trade? I did take a trade. Long at 960. Why did I pin your message? How are you today, RB? Back to 25 points here, guys. It's currently at 1.74, 1.75 R. Trying to get to equal highs, which brings us right around that 22 psych level. All right, holding MSFT. MSFT touched that level yesterday where I said to cut. And as of right now, she's still not the cutest. We're gonna be honest. My main thing is I didn't want to see her inside the gap.
Oh, look at that pop.
Did it pop? Let's go, W. And there's PT, guys, for equal highs. Let me move my SL all the way up now. That is sexy. I'm okay getting stopped out of this play and re-entering if I need to later. Gorgeous catch, guys. Nice V-shaped recovery off the bottoms. Yeah, the cons are holding well. I'm looking at them now. Redhead. I might look for a re-entry. Especially right here. Right here is not a bad place. And then if she holds above 478, then obviously don't want to be with her. Ray Brown would like to speak. Sure. What's up, Ray Brown? I feel like that was a mistake. He warms up my sweater. Thanks for the follow, Tony W. And what a pop, guys. So now what I'm looking for is give me that pre-market structure high. So right at 50 points now. If we break back below 20K, I'm going to take an immediate short if we hold under. What a long. What a long. What a sexy long. Haven't spoken to you in a while. Just wanted to say hi. What's up? How you been? How you been? We all print off that long or what? Or what? And there was PT to the T. From here, we have our next structure, which sits right around half sigma, and that is 2230. But that was a beautiful PT that we just had right there. Probably could go retest and flag to that 20K, if anything, and then continue to see its way up. If you made any gains, make sure to put it in and show your gains. Yeah. Wow. What an insane long, guys. Oh my goodness. We all just money makers right now, or what? Look at my SL. Ugh. So sexy. So sexy. Push all the way through now. Probably really gonna struggle right around here now, guys. Insane move, though. Nice 60-point catch. Jimothy, damn, I peeked my handed. Wow, Rams, look at this. Look at this.
Oh. Oh. Whoa.
Snipe. And if we head under that 22K, guys, then that is entry. For a short, if we head under 22K. Otherwise, we'll see a bounce. What a down move, though. Insane. Yeah, taking a second leg here with a tight SL could be a nice little second leg move. Here, I'll even draw it out. SL right underneath right there. So you're risking 8.75. You're already at 13. Like, insane catch. Which could be coming down here. Hold it, Hold the line. Hold the line. Needs this break. It needs it, Rams. It needs it. Yeah, man. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Rams. That's fine. You can put it if you want. We're dialed. Just joking. Rishike run for both Tradeovate and TSX. Okay, with that test, no, I definitely want to move SL up. So she fails. Oh. That's one way to move SL. Shit. She might be coming down like a merry-go-round now, guys. Come on. Yeah, man. Oh, SL beating me. Nice. Oh. Oh. She's coming. Ram, she's coming. Or not. Yeah, she's coming. She's coming for that show. There it is. Yep. Be sad. Got a nice little flip side. Try to wait a little. 87. We need a break here still. At that 80. Otherwise, she's not cute. Anyways, the level is 21,950, which is basically where we entered the long. 960. Like 7 points. Fuck that. Give me a good R to R. 970, 17 points for a nice little conservative, but man, I'm not really liking the short. It's not as cute as that long. Watch it incoming.
Thank you.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome. Let me know how it is.
It tastes like shark. What the? Just joking. Yep, that's why I didn't like the short. And here we go, back long. As long as she can hold this 20K, guys, she's going to hold this long all the way through. And the high of London is going to be 66.25, which also brings us up to our anchored VWAPs. It's a nice little confluence there. I didn't close out that last one. It's okay. It's okay, Rams. We just switch our sides and we go. And we go. Yep, and we go. We switch sides and we go. Making my SL relatively tight. 18. Yeah. 22.18, basically. Stay in profit. We got equal. And there's the push for first PT 20 points. I'm just gonna show all the way through, guys. Which brings us up to 22.64, and we'll just see how this trends through. You guys can continue to trail at this point. So I'm gonna stay at 22.18. She can continue to push. We're even at the bottom of that, what, 21.25, but I think she can test. Yep, and I got tapped out regardless. Nice play there, though. I think she can continue. We're making good moves. Catch a second leg or third leg, Rams, of this long. Okay, fine. Don't beg me. Don't beg me. Okay, fine. Someone just said no audio. You guys say no audio every day. What is going on? What is going on? Tell me now or forever hold your peace. Anyways, catching a third leg of this. See how it goes. She could be getting worn out now. Keep SL tight. Maybe we want it to go that low. So again, first BT. We're talking a little scalpy now. Risk 5 points to make 10. Currently up 10. Basically to make 20. And here we go. Nice. Also focus on this R to R on the screen. Didn't even take or move SL. Hopefully it works to my favor. There you go. Nice pop, guys. Moving SL up. Nice little 15-pointer. Away she goes. Call me insane. Call me insane. But I think if she held underneath this 20K, 20K, this 20, we could be going a fat short if she holds under 20. If not, then we're going to see that pop all the way through. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Nice. Beauty, guys. Absolute beautiful catch. 23 points. Still rolling. I trailed myself too tight, and I am out. There is PT. And tapped. So that next level, guys, sits all the way at 64. Guys, we are smacking these levels. We are smacking the levels. Bounce off that 30. Come on. Oh. What a PT. Put your arms in my sweater. Do you think a long is still good here? 66.25 is the target, right? Yeah, so basically 64.75. Like, I don't get precise with it. Obviously, the market doesn't care for going exact. As long as you can find the range of which it's supposed to head to, right? It's all supply and demand. too wicked. Push. Push, little butterfly. Push. Hopefully we can get the push here now to get that continuation all the way through. Nice. We're back to equal as it tests is 40. 30 points. 36 is too tight. Stop. As a test here, guys, I'm going to keep it relatively tight. 34.50. And then as soon as she heads up to this 50, which she's going to, moving it now all the way to 37.75 is not bad. Or if you want to keep it super tight, right underneath that 40. Or 36.25, depending on how loose you want to be. I like staying loose, trying to get as most of the move as possible. And then obviously using that dynamic R that we always talk about. The closer that we get to PT, the tighter you have to be. Ooh, that 37.75 SL. Holy. And there we go, up to that 50, guys. She's incoming, and there she is, moving SL all the way super tight and allowing myself to get tapped. Gorgeous. So she could go another 15 points. Do I care for another 15 points when we just caught, what? The first move, 60 points, 65 points, and then the second move, 40 points? No, I don't give a shit. Right? We just caught 100 points in total. And we're big chilling. Big chilling in the Holiday Inn. And there's FOMC. There's our FOMC day. Someone tag me if he takes a play. Can't lock in the screen while driving. No sound. Stop saying no sound. This is not a real thing. Do you believe them, Rams?
You're getting one guy.
What the fuck? You guys can't hear me at all? Someone type in chat. I'm gonna disconnect and come back. Someone just said, don't worry. Like, what do you mean, don't worry? Can you guys see my screen? And can you guys hear me? Yes or no? Also, guys, again, these PTs, absolutely insane. We get our retraces right at them. I can hear now, all fine. Buddy, stop this. You guys are liars. You guys could have heard me the whole time. Bro, now we can? You guys are capping. I know you guys are capping. Mike just said, will you look for a short at those highs? No, I'm not going to get greedy. Those will probably be my two main trades for today's session. I don't like reversing positions just because it reached structure high, because nothing stops it from making a higher high, right? At the end of the day, we want to follow the trend, so it would be risky to reverse position at that given point. I mean, is that risky? No, especially since that's our weekly and our monthly anchor that we're just testing right now. So it's not a bad reversal, like, don't get me wrong, but you don't have enough validity to enter the trade unless you can find where your R to R would be. So let's say if I were to enter here, I still have to risk 15 points to make potentially 50. I mean, that's not bad. I'll shut up. I'll shut up, because honestly, it's not a bad short. But you guys get my point. Like, follow the trend. Don't always try to catch reversals. Reversals will eat your account more times than not. Want to smell? Is matcha good for cats or no? She's like smelling that shit. You guys print with me this session or what though? A yes or a no? If you did, put it in Choder Greens. Because I only see Rams, and Rams is right beside me, guys. You guys have a full show. He's running production. You know what's insane, Rams? I would have caught that whole short too. Literally every single move, I would have caught.
Oh yeah, you got
You remember?
taken out.
I got taken out because I was so freaking tight. Oh, that was whack, guys. Before I even came into stream today, I opened up right at the open a short, and she dropped that first candle 50 points, comes back for a nice little recovery, and then continued and proceeded all the way through. Insane. 75 point ish. No, more. Yeah, 75 points. Math. And PT all the way for a full deviation of that orb, but I'm out. You guys make money or what? Yes or no? Because I'm done. I'll tell you guys that. It's FOMC. Be smart. If you made your money, walk away. Is it open tomorrow? Futures is open until 12, I believe. And then obviously depending on what account you have and what prop, some of them will stop you at like 11:50 or 11:30 Eastern. Yes. Or is it Eastern or Central? Eastern. And then it reopens again, obviously, at 6. It might be 11.
Maybe.
I think it was Central. That's why.
Wait, let me check.
I think it was Central. Bro, you can Google that. CR, be nice, bro. CR, you're a dick. Bro, never heard of Google. Let the man ask his questions. Gosh. You guys kill me. Holy shit. Anyways, continue to use code ACE, guys, on Take Profit Trader, and we're gonna give away those accounts.
MFF is 1250
CT.
Eastern.
Eastern? Okay. 1250. So it was CT that I saw. And then it just pushes an hour. So 1250 or 1 o'clock, depending on what prop that you were on.
Yeah, traded flies 1 o'clock.
Yeah. So depending on what prop you're on, it's either going to be 1250 Eastern or 1 o'clock, guys. And that's on futures. I don't know if wow, that pushed all the way through. And this is what I was saying, right? Just because your PT is 65, you don't necessarily want to reverse position just because it reached your PT. At the end of the day, what is our trend, right? We're seeing higher highs and higher lows. Follow the trend, go all the way through. Otherwise, you just missed out on another 15 points. But I trailed. I kept my dynamic R to make sense. And that was my take. These guys are fighting in chat. These guys are fighting in chat. Oh my god. Bro, you can Google that. Fuck you saying. Buddy's here to answer my questions. Only boomers ask these kind of questions. Too bad I'll ask it again just for you. Oh my god, you guys are killing me. Holy. You guys just made my day. You guys just made my day. Holy smokes. We need the kids to get along, okay? Anyways, let's take a little walk around the park. Should we do a little recap session?
Sure.
That's only if they say yes. If they don't say yes, then I'm not doing extra work. Fuck that. Okay, if you guys want a recap session, head over to Twitch. I'm only going to do it on Twitch. Bye. My shirt. And we'll do a giveaway. Imagine. Let's see how many people pull up. We got 15. Giveaway? Question mark? TPT? Question mark? Giveaway, 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 giveaway.
Short of the top bucket.
I hope you get it, Mike. You deserve it. I'm not in anything, so it's not like we're against each other. I'm for it. The thing with matcha, it's like juice. I can chug this shit.
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, ASMR.
You guys like that shit? Okay, we got 18 people in there. Okay. If you guys want to see a recap, then join me on stream. Bye. What is up, Twitch? What is up, Twitter? What is up, YouTube? This is where the real fun begins. We got 19 people in here. How many does it show at the top, like with X and everything? 129. Got 129 with everyone. Did we even hit 1K YouTube yet? Don't think so. View your channel. 951. The slow grind, Rams. This is actually kind of wild though. Just leaving these up on here. Like the slow ad.
That's fun.
How come some of them have a thumbnail, some of them don't? Do we have to manually do it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's whack.
I'm testing if it does better with
Or without. Oh, there, we got 30. Cold, bro, making me switch to Twitch. What's up, James? You absolute beauty. There, we actually got 30 people. Cool. We will do the little recaps of what was going on. Okay. Main thing here is our psych level of 22K. Obviously, we know that the market likes to revolve around psychology, right? Hence why fibs work, hence why people will use deviations, so on and so forth. Okay. Our opening print headed down short. Like I said, I would have caught that move. Unfortunately, I kept stops way too tight. I didn't expect it to be that volatile. I'll stop moving around screen. Sorry, my ADHD. And when we were looking for a potential reversal, what I was looking for, guys, is always structure, right? So we have our London structure lows. So that's from Asia still. And then we have our pre-market. So we know that both of these right here, as long as we can hold above this block, then in technicality, we're still set for longs. What happens? We touch that CE, we go for a nice little retest of it, we're in, and we can see ourselves from 22 as long as we break right here. So these previous lows from pre-market, which had at 82. So no matter what, I was still securing 22 points. And as you guys can see, she chops right at the top of that block. As soon as we can pass that 22K, right? And that also gives us our 15-minute orb at 95, hence why I kept my SL there. And then we continue to see that push. Obviously, you guys can see right at PT, which is that first high. Again, only using structure, only using levels, keeping it tight. You guys can see we tap into our 382. If you guys know anything about fibs, right, we have two levels. We have our 382 highest point of reversal, and then our 618 highest point of confirmation, right? Also known as your deep retracement. So if I'm looking at it in terms of an extension point of view, my 382, that's where I want to extend up to, especially after recovery and then fail, right? So that was our PT. That was also our structure high right here. And what did she do as soon as she tapped it? This is why I was saying these levels are unmatched right now. Is she tapped, came all the way back inside to test our opening print, right? Confirmed the opening print that she wanted long, held above 95. We looked for longs again. This, we were getting a little scalpy, so caught like 10 points upside, 10 points downside, so on and so forth. And then re-entered at that 210 mark right here for that full long all the way through until PT, using the exact same analysis, holding through, and we were waiting for that break above here. So obviously this is where she got choppy. She came back, did the exact same thing, and saw her way through, literally using fibs, extensions, and obviously deviations, which is just the exact same thing. We lost 7 people during that whole thing because I probably do this way too much, just whipping around my screen. Like looking at Twitch as I'm doing that, I apologize. That probably drives you guys insane. I know like 3 people have already told me to stop doing that, but whatever. I do what I do. Does that make sense? Does anyone need more of an explanation? Or like how we took the second trade? Because I just said it was the same analysis when really, you know, you guys want to know how I do SLs or dynamic R? Like, what do you guys want? If you guys want nothing, I'm leaving. I'm done with this. I drank my matcha. This life is done. Give you guys 2 more minutes because we've been on stream for 58. Or you guys just here for a giveaway. I feel like we can do a secret giveaway. Let me see how many. Let's go over to credits. We can give it 25. A little small little snippet for everyone in here and whoever printed and whoever put in show your gains. We are here for your feed picks. Ty, you know I'm about to provide. You know I'm about to provide. That's crazy. How about a knee for today? For today's session, you get a knee. Who in the world is growling like that? Ash, is that you? Why are you growling? Okay. Type TPT in chat, guys. I don't think Rams has done it yet. Let Rams do it. He's gonna set you guys up. Okay? He's gonna set you guys up.
Done.
Oh. Everyone type TPT in chat. Type it. Do it. Do your thing. We got 28 people in here. Everyone type in TPT. We're gonna do a giveaway. If you used code ACE this week, say me. I'll get you in for another entry. That was a good stretch. We got eight people who wants to join this entry. Come on, guys. All you have to do is type TPT. That's all you guys have to do. Let's go. What the heck? James, you printed. James made 3,700.
Let's go.
Banger. We love that. We love when you guys print. We got 9 people. We're gonna give you guys, we're gonna keep it short, okay? An extra 1 minute to enter. There's 28 people in here, 9 entries. People have literally a 10%, greater than a 10% chance of winning right now. Math.
Duh. And there's your 10%. You have a 10% chance of winning, guys.
Now less.
Oh, now less. Yeah. You saw it first. Ram sees everything first. He is the see all, be all, do all. Rams, is this you? Rams and Nator.
Nope.
There's a second Rams?
Hey.
Yo, that's crazy. What is up, second Rams? How you doing today? Good Wednesday. Thanks, Jumbo. Jumbo Slice. Those were good wins. Me and Rams were talking about it too. Like just stepping away from the scalps again and just going for the actual moves themselves. Staying patient as opposed to catch every single move, just catch the main ones. How do you participate to the giveaway? All you have to do is type in TPT in chat and you'll be entered. TPT. Just type this. That's all you have to do. And you'll see your name on screen. There you guys go. We got 13 entries. We'll give it 2 more minutes. I'll be nice. Today's Ace Feels Nice day. While you guys do that, I'm going to check if my professor messaged me back because I missed my midterm. Like a goof. What a goof, huh, Rams? What are you doing with your life? Bro, in fact, did not message me back. I'm gonna fail. I'm gonna fail. Darn it. Darn Schwarble. Someone contact my prof and say, please let Ace do his midterm. He deserves it. He's a good guy. Just joking. No one message anyone. I think that's all we get. Should we just run it? Let's choose a winner.
All right.
We're choosing a winner, guys. That's it.
In 3.
In 3. In 2. In 1.
Ramsonator.
Did Ramsonator win?
Yes.
That's crazy.
Wow.
Rams, yo, congrats, Rams. Is that Rams' second account, guys? We'll never know. We'll never. Followed 3 minutes ago. I feel like it was Rams.
Yo,
I feel no, that's definitely Rams behind me.
I wish.
He's finessing the system, guys.
I wish.
He gave himself double entry. It's Trump. Oh, he copied your name. W Trump. Trump, message me on Discord and I'll get you set up. Absolute W. Good job with the wins today, guys. If you guys have profits, make sure to keep them. It is FOMC, so shit could get wild. And be careful. So I love you guys. I shall see you guys. If I'm not here tomorrow, it's because of Juneteenth. If I'm here tomorrow, it's because of Juneteenth. I love you guys. Makes no sense. I know. I don't care. And I'll see you when I see you. So come tomorrow in hopes that I'll be here because that'll mean a lot to me. Love you guys. Peace.